Hey folks, it's Amy, and I just wanted to touch base in document formatting as we get closer to test 2, which will be your first test, and just want to walk you through that. Also want you to know that you have a little bit of breathing room in there and maybe get caught up and use some time to practice your keying speeds because that will all come into play. So just to show you a little bit, I have the announcement prepared for this class for the upcoming test. But what you need to see is that your timings and test skills are worth 30% of your grade, and 10% of your grade is this touch type. On the left-hand side, you're going to see what speeds you need, and for a 3-minute timing, it would be 3 or less errors. You need to be at 50 words per minute to get to that A mark. Many of you are there. Some of you aren't. That's okay. Keep working on those timings and repeat them and repeat them. That will just increase your speed. Okay, as well as that, then what I want to show you in course assignments, you will actually have to be in Blackboard for a little bit of your test. You'll be doing some of it in GDP and some of it in Blackboard. Test 2 folder is right here. And again, this is the exam part. You'll come in here and you'll take the true and false. You don't have to do anything in GDP. And I will have to hand grade this for you because if you don't enter it exactly like Blackboard likes, then it marks it wrong. So don't freak out about that. It's just the way that it is, and I'll go back and hand grade those. Then you're going to get into the 3-minute timing, and that is located in your text under the, let me get the exact page for you. Test 2 is located right behind lesson 40. I guess I should have opened this sooner. Sorry about that. So in your text, it starts on page 147, and the timing is at the top of that. So it's going to look a little bit different in your textbook, but it looks like this here. Okay, so again, I would practice that timing, and you can open up a Word document and make yourself comfortable with that and practice that. And that's going to be completed in GDP. So if I come into the port, and here we go. This is what I wanted to pull over. So I have gone in and test 2 is located here, and here's your timing. You'll come in here and you'll take that timing. It will score you again. We're looking at a 3-minute timing, and we're looking for 3 or less errors. These are also the correspondence that you will do here as well. Now there's an alternate, the 2A. You do not have to do that, and you do not have to do the objective test. After you're done with that, you'll submit those in GDP, and again, I have to hand correct those. Those take a little time. You're going to come back in here and you're going to do a letter scenario, and then you're going to perform a video as well. So the letter scenario is you using Microsoft Word, reading the scenario here, formatting a letter to me, as specified in the instructions, and then submitting it here in Blackboard. The video, what I'm looking for in the video is a 15 to 30-second clip. Can be done on your phone. You can upload it through YouTube, Blackboard, you name it, of you using the touch system keying. So that's all of your 4 fingers on each hand on the home row and etc. So do a little shout out hi to Amy. That would be fabulous. But that's what I'm looking for when it comes to your first test here in GDP. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks.